Hey everyone, it is Couponing with D and I am back with another video. As you can see, it is my early insert preview video. It is going to go by quick. These are paper thin. As you can see, we only have two, Save and SmartSource. So let's start with Save. Front cover, $4 off any two Garnier Nutrice or Color Reviver hair color products. $1.50 off any one Snuggle product. $2 off any one Snuggle and Wash boosters, $1 off any one all product, $2 off any all Mighty Packs laundry detergent. Next page, we have Dove products. We have $2.50 off any one body wash or Body Love cleanser product, $2.50 off one Dove body polish product, $2.50 off one Dove Men Plus Care body wash, and $1 off of any one 4-pack or larger Dove men's soap. $1 off any one Benadryl, $2 off any one Zarbee's product, $4 off any Zyrtec for children, $1.50 off any one Tylenol or children's infants Motrin product, $1.50 off any one children's Tylenol Cold or children's Sudafed. We have $3 off any one Eucerin face product, $5 off any two Eucerin face products, and we have 75 cents off of any one Band-Aid adhesive bandage product or first aid products of Neosporin ointments and bandages. We have $1 off one Quilted Northern 6-pack or larger Mega Rolls. We have $5 off of one Benefiber prebiotic fiber plus probiotic stick packs. We have a $4 off one Centrum 60 plus count. It's good for 2 weeks. Another one good for 2 weeks is a $4 off the Centrum multi gummies that are 60 count or larger. We have a $1 off one Preparation H product. We have a $2 off one any Preparation H Soothing Relief spray. Advertisement, as well as the next page and on the back. As you can see, I have no gang coupons or Tide coupons in this, so there may be another version out there. Going right along to the SmartSource, front page is nothing but advertisement from Total Wine & More. First coupon is $4 off of any one Chic Hydro Silk, Chic Intuitions, Chic Quattro for women, or Skintimate razor or refill. The next one is $1 off any one Skintimate or Chic Women's Disposable or Chic Hydro Silk 3 razor or refill. We also have $1 off of one Edge Skintimate Chic Extreme or Chic Gel, foam or cream. We also have a $3 off one Chic Men's Disposable or Chic Extreme 5 razor or refill. $4 off of one Chic Hydro or Chic Quattro Titanium razor or refill. Next page is $4 off of any one Soothe product, $8 off of any one Soothe XP Twin Pack, $3 off of any one Soothe Nighttime, $6 off of one Renew Twin Pack, $3 off of one Renew 12 ounce. Advertisement on the following page. Then we have $3 off of any one Bosch & Lomb Ocuvite product. BioTrue is on the next page. $6 off any one BioTrue Hydration Plus or Original 2 10-ounce twin pack. We have $3 off any one BioTrue Hydration Plus or Original 10-ounce. $6 off of any one BioTrue Hydration Boost Lubricant Eye Drops, 2 10-ounce twin pack. 10 milliliter. We have $3 off of any one BioTrue Hydration Boost Lubricant Eye Drops, 10 milliliter. Next page is a 50 cents off of any one Palmolive Ultra Dish Liquid, 18 ounces or larger. We also have a 50 cents off any Colgate toothpaste, 2.1 ounce or larger. And on the back page, cigars. All right, everyone, that's all I have for you today. As far as inserts go, I will see you next week with some more videos. Until then, see you on the next one. Bye.